how to find your Spotify Wrapped and share it on your Instagram or Snapchat. Hi guys, welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find your Spotify Wrapped if you cannot find it quickly on your home screen of your Spotify. So let's get into it. First of all, you're going to open up your Spotify app on your mobile phone, or you can also do it on your PC. Once you get here and you cannot find your Spotify Wrapped, then what I want you guys to do is you can simply go to spotify.com/wrapped. And once you click on the link given, it's going to be the first link. The link will also be given in the description down below. You can just click on it and it will take you to your browser and it will show you something like this. This is our 2022 Wrapped, and you can see, so at the bottom, you will be able to find the option of listen to 2022 highlights here. Click on it and it will open up your Spotify for you, and it will show you all of the artists that you listened to this year, and it will show you a 2022 Wrapped. So this is the wrap right here for you. You can see, and now you can go ahead and share it with your friends and your followers on your other applications as well. If you can still not find the Spotify Wrapped, then what you can do is you can actually update your Spotify. So try updating if it's not working. Otherwise, you can go to your browser if you're not finding it on the home screen. But this is our 2022 Wrapped right here. And at the top, we have a share option. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on share right here, and it will allow me to share my wrap on my Instagram, Snapchat, and all of the other social media platform. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to Software Made Easy.